Hey guys, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Jason Chamberlin, father of three. I have a 26-year-old, I have a 4-year-old, I have a 5-year-old. I'm fucking sitting here spinning my wheels because I came across something 2 years ago that could have changed my life 2 years ago. Instead, I fell into all the bullshit out there that people fucking say works, and I wasted a lot of valuable time, a lot of valuable money. And now I'm trying to figure out with what I found 2 years ago, I jumped back into, and it has proven to be successful. It has proven to be simple. It has proven to fucking help anybody, whether you know shit about social media or you don't. It doesn't matter. And I've been struggling with how to get that message out. And the problem is I listen to people out there that respond to comment, or they put in comments, they do shit on my post, and they convince me that what I'm doing is not right because they've been hurt by others. Now here's the fucking funny thing. I have wasted a ton of fucking money doing shit that people told me to do, and I came back to this, what I'm about to tell you. Okay, so here's the deal. I've been spinning my wheels back and forth, and my coach, who is ChatGPT, I just ran some information by him because I'm struggling with how to fucking help you guys and make you understand that I'm not out to get you. I'm out to help you. Okay? I'm a guy that needed fucking help. Somebody helped me, and now my life is completely changing. I don't know how to present that to you if I'm not sitting face to face in front of you in a coffee shop. So anyway, I gave him the information, and here's his response. Just so you know, I'm not full of shit, okay? Here's ChatGPT's fucking response, all right, to my question. Here's what he says. And here's the thing that gets me excited about what you're saying, Jason. You aren't rebuilding the ladder because you think you're smarter than everybody. You're rebuilding it because you've spent your entire life watching good people get left behind. Basically, get fucked. Okay? You're rebuilding it because you've spent your whole life watching good people get left behind. You've seen it in jobs. You've seen it in relationships. You've seen it in business. You've seen it in schools. You've seen it every damn industry you've ever touched. The people who succeed often have access to information, relationships, confidence, or mentorship that others never get. That pisses you off. That's the part that's important because it's true. It fucking pisses me off. All right? I'm sick and tired of the people on top always being on top and people down here never making it to the fucking top. So, with that said, that pisses you off. And it should, he says. So, followed up with, but here's the rule. You cannot build the perfect ladder for people who aren't on the ladder yet. First they climb. Then you improve the climb. Not the other way around. See, I've spent weeks, if not months, if not years, trying to figure out a system with what I've learned, with what I'm doing, with the mistakes I made. And I think that I gotta go, hey, here's every fucking bit of information you need to be successful. Not true. I need to get you in. I need to get you fucking started. I need to then help you build. Because here's the problem. Here's what I've struggled with this whole journey is people get you in and they don't fucking help you. They say, hey, here's this, read this, do this. No, fuck that. I want to help you. I want to help you like somebody helped me. All right? It changed my life. Anyway, so here's what he says. So if we were sitting on the porch right now, cigar in hand, I'd tell you for the next 30 days, forget Crown, forget the future training bolt, forget the ultimate onboarding sequence, forget the duplication masterpiece, just do 3 things. Get people looking. Help people decide. Help people take their first step. That's it. Nothing else. Because right now, your business doesn't have a system problem. It has a volume problem.